मॅडम विरेशक मेळ्ळे तुम्ही आयज सो व्हॉट यू रिक्वेस्टेड हिम
किती अपडेट आसा हेल्थ अपडेट किती आसा
We feel that we don't want his health to deteriorate any further, and he has raised the level of the agitation to a point where the whole of Goa is pressing now that Goa has to be protected and preserved, and that Section 39A is against the environment, against the Goans, against Goa. We requested him whether he will call off the hunger strike so that he has enough energy to fight the cause in the assembly, where there is already a bill which has been moved to strike down 39A and several other provisions of law which are not in the interest of Goa. We have made the request to him. He says he's feeling better, he's feeling stronger. We will consider it, but we think that since he is a member of the Legislative Assembly, he must be able to be present in the Assembly to argue the case for striking down 39A and other provisions. That's a request we made.
So what he said, he's agree with
He didn't say anything. He just said
He will consult with his colleagues and so on, and they will consider.
Okay.
We consider it is a positive thing, but he has to take a decision. We cannot say that he has agreed or anything. He said that he will consult, but he has to consult.
You think that it's in the best interest of the state that he calls up this time?
it's in his best interest and also in the interest of the state, because the issue is coming up in the assembly. It's not that it is not in the assembly. There is a bill in the assembly which has to be defended. It has to be where the government must consider. So we are not from any party. We are coming as citizens, making a request to him to call off the strike, but fight the case. Fight it in another forum where he is a member, where we cannot go there. He is a member of that assembly. That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.